how to turn on or turn off auto lens switching for camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on camera app. After click on camera app, click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down and here showing you camera assistant. After click on camera assistant, here showing you auto lens switching. If you want to turn off auto lens switching, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see auto lens switching is turned off. If you want to turn on auto lens switching, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see auto lens switching is turned on. You will turn on or turn off auto lens switching from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off auto lens switching for camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.